Classics. 1951 Ford Custom Convertible. 239 flathead underneath the hood that's paired up with a 3-speed. Manual transmission, original overdrive car also. Let's take a look at the bright work, chrome up front on this one. See, it shows well. This color reminds me of Sportsman's Green. I don't know if it's a little lighter than Sportsman's Green, but it's kind of what it reminds me of. Maybe you Ford buffs out there that remember the original 1951 colors. Also, it comes with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That is included in the purchase price. Maybe extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And you can call in at 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Take your time, look through the still pictures. There'll be undersides, engine bay, interior, top up, top down, riding on the wide white walls. And there's some touch up as far as the painter on this car in some spots. It's one of those cars, get in it, drive it, have some fun, local roll-ins, cruise-ins, your local shows. See, it's not full of nicks or dings up and down the passenger side. Like I said, a few touch-up spots. I notice on the other side, I'll kind of point them out as we go. Contrasting green and white vinyl interior. It is a power top. Power top works. It's white vinyl. We're going to put that up at the end. Check out the condition of that. And like I said, you can see it in the still pictures too. Something else to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. It does have a parade boot, convertible top cover, if you will. A few things that are going to go with this. Car cover included. I'll put that in the trunk. There's some miscellaneous piping, exhaust pipe. Looks like headers or maybe something to set up for a lake pipe look. And then manuals. A repair manual, shop manual, transmission, automatic transmission manual. Let's take a look at the chrome on the rear of this car. Dual exhaust. We are missing a little chrome plating here, if you can see that. All those still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. Just click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, it's going to take you right there. Let's look down the driver's side here. It's another little spot I noticed where there's a touch up there, if you can see it. Of course, the spotlights on each side, an old school look. The vinyl looks like it's pretty much free of any major rips, tears, or holes. Let's go ahead and start this up. I did have the wipers work. Those are working good. I did not get the radio to come on. So we're aware of that. Flathead starts easily. Check out these gauges. So this temp gauge, not sure if that's going to work. There is another aftermarket one down here. I want to get that to focus in, but there's an aftermarket one right there. Looks like fuel gauge came up, oil pressure came up, an amp meter. This is a 6-volt system still, just so you know. It's a pretty stock looking dash. Did you hear that flatty? Nothing too over the top as far as exhaust. Door closes nice, sounds good too. Slip around to the back so you hear it run. And let's slip up to the front. I'm going to pop the hood. There's a release, of course, on the inside of these. So let's reach down, release that. Now, give me a second. It's going to take 2 hands when you prop rod up on this. Let me get this hood open, check that out, and wrap this video up right after we look at the top. Underside of the hood, kind of one of those coatings, I guess. I don't know if you can see that or not. Kind of like a spray and liner coating. Here it is, 239 flathead, V8. Again, 6-volt system or single carb. Nice smooth runner. Heater hoses still hooked up. You'll be able to see the cowl tag or data tag into the still pictures. Nice sounding, smooth running flatty. And last but not least, let's run this convertible top up. Check that out and wrap this video up. And here's the top up. Nice tight fit above the windshield. White vinyl. Obviously has been replaced along the line somewhere at some time. Free of rips, tears, and holes in the driver's side. Nice clear rear window. And passenger side. Also appears to be free of rips, tears, or holes. Need it to keep you out of a quick pop-up shower or maybe the sun off your back. It's going to do that with ease. And remember that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price, may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You can call in at 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1951 Ford Custom Convertible. Got kind of a light turquoise on the inside, a green. This is a 3-on-the-tree transmission. Shifts nicely. Our oil pressure gauge is working, showing about 40 amps is charging, just over half of the gauge. Fuel is showing a quarter on the gauge. Temperature gauge does not work, it just stays on high. Under the dash on the far left, which you cannot see, there is a aftermarket temperature gauge which is just over 130. I have not seen that one move. The blower motor works on this car. Our wipers also working well. Typical one noise from this convertible top. Speedometer appears accurate. Maybe reading a little fast. If I let go of the steering wheel, it stays nice and straight. There is some play in the steering, and the steering wheel is cocked a little bit to the left, though that does not affect performance. Comfortable bench seating. Everything vinyl covered on the seats and matching nicely. Corners well, corners as you would expect. One of the Ford iconic body styles, and then a convertible. Check out this 51 Ford Custom at UniqueClassicCars.com.